Pre-workout supplements have become one of the most common products in modern fitness culture. Walk into any gym and you will likely see people mixing colorful powders with water before training. These supplements promise energy, focus, and better workout performance. For many people, taking pre-workout has become a daily routine. But recently, more health experts have started asking an important question. What happens to the body when high-stimulant supplements are taken regularly, especially late in the day? Pre-workout supplements usually contain several ingredients designed to increase energy and alertness. One of the main ingredients is caffeine. Some products contain caffeine levels that are equal to several cups of coffee in a single serving. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain. Adenosine is a chemical that promotes sleep and relaxation. When caffeine blocks these receptors, the brain becomes more alert and awake. While this effect can temporarily improve focus and energy during exercise, it may also affect sleep patterns if consumed too close to bedtime. Sleep is one of the most important processes for recovery and overall health. During sleep, the body performs critical functions such as hormone regulation, tissue repair, memory consolidation, and cellular maintenance. When sleep duration or quality is reduced, these processes may be disrupted. Researchers have increasingly studied the relationship between stimulant use and sleep patterns, particularly among younger individuals. Some findings suggest that high stimulant intake from energy products may be associated with shorter sleep duration. Sleeping fewer hours regularly can affect recovery, mood, and overall well-being. Sleep also plays a role in muscle recovery and performance. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which supports tissue repair and muscle adaptation after training. When sleep is consistently reduced, recovery may become less efficient. This creates a situation where someone trains hard in the gym but may not receive the full benefits of recovery. Another important factor is the relationship between sleep and long-term health. Sleep influences metabolic balance, immune responses, cognitive function, and stress hormone regulation. Chronic sleep deprivation may contribute to fatigue, reduced mental clarity, and decreased physical performance. Many people take pre-workout supplements in the late afternoon or evening after work or school. If the stimulant levels remain active in the body for several hours, they may delay the natural sleep cycle. This delay can make it harder to fall asleep at night. When this pattern repeats regularly, the body may develop a cycle of poor sleep followed by fatigue during the day. Some people then rely on stimulants again the next day to compensate for that fatigue. This cycle can become difficult to break. Another point often overlooked is that pre-workout formulas contain many different ingredients. In addition to caffeine, products may include compounds such as beta-alanine, amino acids, and various plant extracts. While some of these ingredients are used for performance support, the overall stimulant load varies widely between products. Because of this variation, individuals may consume higher stimulant levels than they realize. This is why many health professionals emphasize awareness and moderation when using stimulant-based supplements. Exercise itself is extremely beneficial for physical and mental health, but the benefits of training are strongest when combined with proper sleep, balanced nutrition, and adequate recovery. Instead of relying heavily on stimulants, some athletes focus on optimizing natural energy factors. Hydration, balanced meals, consistent sleep schedules, and proper warm-ups can all improve workout performance without interfering with recovery. Caffeine itself is not inherently harmful for most healthy adults when used in moderate amounts. However, timing and dosage can significantly influence how the body responds. Taking stimulant supplements earlier in the day and paying attention to individual tolerance may help reduce sleep disruption. The most powerful performance booster is often the one people overlook. Quality sleep. Sleep supports recovery, hormone balance, cognitive function, and long-term well-being. No supplement can replace that. Building fitness should support overall health, not work against it. Sometimes the best upgrade to your performance is not another scoop of pre-workout powder. It is giving your body the rest it needs to recover and perform at its best.